So we're doing our first run at the Mama Mary. Warm up muna and then we'll meet sila attorney at Anubang.
Bitaw! Woohoo! Hashi is so fast and smooth. Nice, Hash. Kaya naman silipin din down no? Basta pumasok lang yung front mo, okay na Kinis.
Faster.
Yeah, faster.
Warm up with
Nice. Patungaan mo lang. Mas nubuang sa tunga. Ang sa right side taas.
Di ba doon sa may pa ako dumaan o sa taas? Sa right.
Sa gitna lang.
Okay.
Overshoot ka, chow. Look far. Woohoo! Hi, Mom Mary. Halong da sa pa left. Feel the flow.
Feel the rhythm. It's happy girl!
Yoo-hoo! He's done.
Alright, that was Mama Mary by Hashi and Brady. Grabe.
Ha?
Our pump. We just went back up again. Just picked up the Titos of Ulaw. We're doing Red Bull. We're behind the OPM. Bedded na talaga yung brakes ko. We are on our way to Red Bull. Shift na malupit. Oh my god. Okay lang. Alright. Tuloy ang saya. Ayun na naman tayo. Mali na naman yung gear natin. Ay, ang botachi. Are you okay? Mr. Cash? Be like the oldies. Relax. Ting ting ting. This is the really truly Red Bull. The Red Bull is deep with a lot of kaldag-kaldagis. At the view. Look at the view. It's so dusty. You can't see anything, man. Look at the view. Yeah, buddy. Ow! Look at that steep shit. Guwapo to ya. Damn you, Brads. Ganda nun Diretso lang niya. Ganda ng Proline ni Aldin. Proline! Binilisan ni Joji to, grabe. Alright. This is SSS. SSS. Super steep, super steep, with Uncle Jojit and OPM at the back. Ay, iniwan tayo ni Jojit! Jojit! Wait for me! SSS. Super steep, slow. Super steep. Shit, ang dulas nga. Nabubuo ba ni Hashito? Super steep, super! Naka-brake na si Hachi. Ayaw tumigil. Yes! Fuck yeah! Tangina, Hashi, good job! One of the hardest parts. It's steep. There's rolling shit. Nakakapagod! Look at the concentration. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, Brads.
Sucker! Fuck no!
Ayun, galing ng control, oh. Hindi yan nagdab. As in, ganun lang. It's hard, ah! Nice, Hachi! Okay lang! YMCA! Gosh damn it! Not today, Hachi! Yeah! SSSSS! Super steep! Super! Activate! Ay gago, dire-diretso ka nga dun, ano? In fairness, wala na, andyan siya sa likod mo, ang ingay. Another hard right motherfucking turn. Alright! No damn, motherfucker! Ass. Dan 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 dan. Woo! Yeah! We're doing bike park. Two attorneys are leading us through the trails. Oh no, my helmet is loose. Edri trails to, pare. Edri! This trail's for you. Let's go, Tito! Woo! Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oy, over! Over si Hashi! Perfect!
Very visible.
Still the bike park trail. Kids are enjoying. Big kids are enjoying as well. Bike park trail. King Ina bitaw. Loving the G-outs. Angry Birds, where are you, Angry Birds? We miss you. Nipuga. Ah! Yahoo! One more G out. Kapow! To the left. To the left. Wabangs. Yeah, buddy. Oh shit! Mali yung gear ko.
Yeah, switch pa mo.
Tito, I'm sorry. Let's catch up. Wow. Alright. We're doing the kaldag-kaldagish. Higher and higher. Ito eh, nanggugulat to eh. Nanggugulat yung G-out na yun eh. Tapos G-out ulit eh, oh. May ugat pa. Brady is doing so well. I think he's so ready for New Zealand. Oh, look at the body English. The body English. Hey, the adobo. The adobo.
Classic daw eh.
Ah, classic ba? Okay. Alright. We're doing classic. Puta, puro meno ka pa talaga dun, Hashi. Oh yeah, gutom ka na guro, no? Parang dami kong linya na hindi ko linya. Alam mo yun? Bakit ka dyan dumaan? Nagutom na guro siya. Iya! Linda Bike Hashi! Linda Bike Hashi! We are at Lusod. This is the OG line nung wala pa yung kalsada. Mahirap na trail dito. Skinnies ala Ugo. Alright, we're doing golden. Just finished our late lunch. Brad is doing his backfires. Golden.
Hit 5.
Hit.
Stage 5.
Stage 5 ta. Stage 5.
Golden with golden boys.
Golden and the golden years.
Ay, ang bilis nyo. The real golden line. Cruising.
Cruise lang, cruise.
Woohoo! Nice, Hashi. Gitna. Gaumpok. Nice, Hash. Good pace. Good pace. Pwede. Kahit ano. Pwede nantayin. Pwede diretso Kalas. Yuhuu! Puga! Sigasig ba? Woo! Puga! Sigasig.
Sarap!
Sarap!
We just finished our run for today. We did 6? 5? Naunahan na naman natin ng Raptor. Yeah, so we did about 5 lines? 6 lines? More or less, 6 lines. Finished it
2875 na
2.8. So yesterday we did 2.3?
2000
2,000?
2001
2,100. Ngayon 2.8. Sarap, dude.
almost 29 very good.
Very good. Yumminess. I love you, Ugo. Can you say, Brady, are you ready for New Zealand?
Perfect day in Ugo. Sunny but cold.
And loose.
Yeah, perfect.
Alright, bonus stage! Branch is kicking our butts. Uy! Dumulas. Brady! What happened, Brady? Whoa! Brady! Second right yung mahirap.
Yung malalim.
Kasi right turn. Enjoy! Enjoy tayo! Yeah, buddy! Scandi boy! Yeah! Some steez, papi! That's the line. That's the line, buddy! Yeah, V10! Let's go, Santa Cruz! Ow! Yeah, boy! Sent it! Good job, Achi. Oh, easy. Oh, easy. Yes! Yes! Perfect, motherfucker! Ow! Alright, Santa Cruz! Good job.
Kala ko, dali lang eh.
Madali lang, di ba? Kaya sobrang nabitin si Alden, nagbuno stage kami. No din, no? With the branch. Kamusta? Survive?
Oo,
Yeah. What's rocks? It's nothing. Bato-bato.
mauna kayo tapos pakanan na naman yung puno.
Uy! Ow! May halik ka.
Yung malaki.
May nakapitan ka.
Buti may nakapitan. Buti hindi umiwas. O, ingat kayo ha.
Thank you.
O, along-along.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ingat ha.
Yun ang graduation. Sabi niya kasi,
Ay, hindi. Kunin yung certification nyo sa barangay. Meron pa yun. Whee! Steady. Dito siya. Chiyo. Gliding. Through the pilapil.
you tomorrow?
Yeah. Akit ka?
Sa ano?
Sa.
Bakit ba kay Bagyo?
Hindi. Oo, pero magsasamit pa kami bukas.
Ah, okay.
O, ingat.
Thank you.
Halong. Ow! Gusto ko nga mag bonus stage, buti niya yung pumayag ka eh. Bonus stage, okay, let's go! Bilis si Bringe. Pag mabilis si Bringe, mabilis kami.